In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a glow text effect in Photoshop using two easy methods. The first method gives you a fast neon look without a glow, and the second method creates a softer, more realistic light spill with a brush. If you want to learn this quickly and make your text stand out like a pro, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's start with method 1, which is the fastest way to create a glowing neon effect. Open Photoshop and create a new document. For the best results, use a dark background because glow always looks more dramatic on black or very dark colors. You can fill your background with black, deep blue, or any dark shade you like. Now grab the type tool by pressing T on your keyboard and type out your text. Choose a bold font if you want the glow to look stronger and easier to see. Once your text is in place, make sure the text layer is selected, then double-click directly on the layer to open the Layer Style panel. Inside Layer Style, turn on Outer Glow. This is the key setting that creates the neon effect. Start by changing the blend mode to Linear Dodge Add. This helps the glow appear bright and energized. Next, adjust the opacity. You can keep it anywhere between 70 and 100%, depending on how intense you want the glow to look. After that, choose your glow color. Bright colors work best here, like cyan, pink, electric blue, or neon green. The more vivid the color, the more your text will pop against the dark background. Then move to the size setting and increase it slowly until the glow spreads out naturally around the letters. A smaller size gives a tighter neon edge, while a larger size creates a bigger, softer glow. If you want the effect to look even more realistic, you can also enable inner glow. This adds a soft light inside the text and helps create that bright illuminated core that you see in real neon signs. Tweak the opacity and size until the inside of the text looks like it's actually glowing from within. At this point, you already have an instant neon glow text effect. It's fast, simple, and perfect for posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, and stylish title designs. But if you want something more natural and cinematic, let's move to the second method. For method 2, we're going to create a soft brush glow that looks like light spilling behind the text. This method is great when you want the text to feel like it's actually emitting light into the background. First, create a new layer and place it below your text layer. This is important because we want the glow to sit behind the text, not on top of it. Now change the layer blend mode to Linear Dodge Add. This will make the light brighter and help it blend nicely with the rest of the design. Then select the brush tool and choose a soft round brush. Make sure your foreground color matches the color of your text glow. If your text is cyan, use cyan. If it's pink, use pink. Matching the colors helps everything feel connected and realistic. Next, lower the flow of the brush to around 5 to 10%. This is a very important step because low flow lets you build the glow gradually instead of painting one harsh blob of color. With your brush ready, start painting behind the text where you want the light to spread. Use soft strokes and build it up slowly until it looks like the text is casting light onto the background. You can paint more heavily near the center and let the glow fade outward for a more natural lighting effect. If needed, you can also blur the glow slightly or duplicate the layer to make it stronger. This method works especially well for dramatic title designs, cinematic text, and realistic lighting effects. So to recap, if you want a fast and easy neon look, use Outer Glow. If you want a softer, more realistic light spill, use a brush on a separate layer with Linear Dodge Add. You can even combine both methods for an even better result. Start with Outer Glow for the text itself, then add the brush glow behind it to make the design feel more alive. Once you're happy with the effect, you can fine-tune the color, size, opacity, and placement until it matches your style. Photoshop gives you a lot of control, so don't be afraid to experiment. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your text looks. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and design tutorials. It really helps the channel and it tells me to make more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.